Hello my friends, I'm Trace from Smart Trader channels. I make videos about trading strategies. I really want to help you become a profitable trader by show you how to trade with each strategies and how to read the indicator signal correctly. In this video, I'm going to show you 5-minute trading strategies for forex, stock, crypto. It doesn't matter. You can trade any market and any time frame. For these strategies, we need the Supertrend indicator and Makemoney-hybrid indicator. You can check the setting in the descriptions below. This is the GBP-GPY pair and 5-minute time frame. For buy signal, we need the price above 2 indicator, and 2 indicator is green, and we will wait for the price go into a consolidations or a trading range. Define a trading range high and trading range lows. Wait for price break above the trading range high and enter after the breakout. Okay, the stop loss will below the range low and risk and rewards at least 1-to-1 minimum. For sell signal, it need a price below the 2 indicator. 2 indicator is red, and like the buy signal, we wait for the market go into the consolidations or a trading range. Define a trading range high and trading range low. Wait for the market break out of the trading range and entry when the price break out of the trading range. Stop loss above the trading range high and risk and rewards at least 1-to-1. Okay, I hope you understand. It's very simple and very effective if you follow the rule. Find the trading range and wait for the breakout. Up or down depends on the indicator signal. Here is another buy signal. Price go into the uptrend, go into the consolidations. You can see here price break out of the consolidations along here. Stop loss below here. Risk and rewards at least 1-to-1. Okay. If you find it's hard to identify trading range, you can use a line chart. Change to the line chart to see the swing high and swing low. To swing high and to swing low minimum to identify a trading range. Wait for price breakout of the trading range. Break up for buy and down for sell. Okay. Always trade with the trend, never counter the trend trading. Buy a support and sell a resistance. So here I have another sell signal. And you can see here 2 swing low and 4 swing high. Is there is trading range. Okay, this is the breakout bar. Okay, sell, stop loss above here, risk and rewards at least 1-to-1. Another sell trade there, breakout, Okay. Remember, only risk 1 or 2% per trade. Study and backtest before using real money. If you have any questions, comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Good luck and good trading.